In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put affiliate link where it says powered by Getresponse at the bottom of emails. When you send emails through Getresponse, there is often a small powered by Getresponse badge at the bottom. Depending on your plan and settings, you may be able to control that badge, and in some cases, you can enable the option that allows it to display in a way that supports your affiliate promotion. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly where that setting lies in your account and what to look for so you know it is enabled. First, make sure you are logged into your Getresponse account and you are on the main dashboard. Look to the top right corner of the page. You will see your profile area, which may appear as an icon, an avatar, or your account name. Click that profile area to open the account drop-down menu. In the drop-down, select the option that says Manage Account. This takes you out of the Campaign and Email Tools area and into the settings that control your overall account preferences. Give the page a moment to load fully, because the setting we need is located in the side navigation. On the Manage Account page, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu. Find and click the section labeled Getresponse Badge. This is the area where Getresponse lets you manage how their branding badge appears, including whether it is enabled. Once you are on the Getresponse badge page, you will see a switch or toggle. Toggle that switch to the ON position. Turning it on is what allows the badge to appear in your emails. If you are using a free account, it may already be enabled and may stay enabled by default. In that case, you will see that the badge is always on, and you may not be able to turn it off. A helpful tip here is to save your changes if you see any save button on the page, and then send yourself a quick test email from your email editor to confirm the footer area displays the badge the way you expect. This lets you verify the setting is active before you send a broadcast or start an automation. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.